right, everybody. Well, my name is Rob Anderson. I'm out here on the Las Vegas Strip with Aaron and Ashley. And tonight we're going to do a little bit of magic. And we confirmed you guys are dating. And how long have you been together?
Over 3 years.
3 years. Very cool. Congratulations on that. I guess that means a few years ago you guys went on some first dates and got to know each other and realized you liked each other. Yeah? Held hands and learned about each other and everything. I want to take you back to early in the relationship, okay? Maybe the first time you guys held hands. We'll do this. I've got a card. I got the 9 of clubs. Aaron, would you hold one hand out towards Ashley, just like this? I'm gonna hand you the 9. Ashley, I'd like you to place your hand on top of the 9 so that your hand is kind of holding his. Just put your hand on top right there.
Okay.
Perfect. I've got another card here, the Ace of Hearts, which I think is better for you guys to have. The heart represents love, and we're gonna talk about your guys' love here tonight. We'll switch it. 1, 2, 3, there we go. We got the 9. Look what you guys have right there. You should actually have, look at your card. You should have the Ace of Hearts. Cool.
Very cool.
For love. For love.
Very cool.
All right, guys, let's step it up a bit. I made a prediction about meeting a couple tonight, being very compatible. You guys seem very compatible. I think you're gonna do great at this. I actually made a prediction on 4 cards, which I have right here. Ashley, would you hold on to these just like I have them so they don't fall out of your hand? Just give them a little bit of a grip right there, just like that. Now, you're gonna hold them just like that. Don't move. You're holding 4 queens right now. Now, this trick represents your compatibility together. It's a 2-part trick, okay? I want you to visualize the 4 queens in her hand right now, Aaron. They're gonna be the Queen of Hearts and Diamonds, the red cards, and the Queen of Clubs and Spades, the black. Visualize them in her hand and then visualize me reaching in and taking away 2 of them. They're the same color, either red or black. Out loud, I'd like you to tell us which color you imagine me taking, red or black.
Black.
Black, that's right, gone, leaving red cards in your hand. Ashley, visualize them right in your hand. They are red cards. Just imagine the red cards, you're holding them right now. See them in your mind, the heart and the diamond, the red cards.
Okay.
Ashley, you can keep either one. They're the ones that Aaron's left for you. Would you like to keep the heart or the diamond?
I'll keep the heart.
Keep the heart over the diamond. Love over money. She's a keeper. That's great. You know what's really cool about you guys working together to choose the Queen of Hearts? The Queen of Hearts is actually the only card that I predicted that you would choose together. And that's why I took it out of a totally different deck of cards. I was so sure of what you would do. I was so sure you'd be very compatible out here tonight that I didn't even bring any other cards with me at all except Queen of Hearts. I had a feeling about you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I had a feeling about you guys. Let's do the grand finale. One more and get you guys out of here. Cool? Ready for the grand finale?
Yeah, sounds good.
Here we go. Ashley,
Yeah.
I'd like you to think of any happy memory that you've made with Aaron. Could be anything at all. Don't tell me what it is. Don't say it out loud. It's just for you to know for now.
Okay.
Just visualize a time when you felt just overjoyed at being with him in his presence, and then picture what time it was when that occurred. It could be 1 through 12 o'clock, just to the nearest hour, 1 through 12. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
4, 3, 2, 1 o'clock. I'm gonna try to read your mind right now with this fork I stole from dinner earlier. I'm kidding, this does nothing. I am gonna lay the fork down like an hour hand where I believe you're thinking of right now. I'm gonna turn this again. If 12 o'clock is right here, I think you're actually thinking of 11 o'clock, yes or no? No? Could it have been 12 o'clock though?
Yeah.
It was 12 o'clock. Out of every card in the deck, you thought of the one that wound up at 12.
Right.
That means the 12 o'clock card must be important.
Okay.
I'm actually going to show Aaron what the 12 o'clock card is. I think you'll agree it's an important card, yes? And when you're ready, you can show Ashley what that is. you.